understood what makes one sad. What are the things one can bend? What makes one love? What makes one hate? What makes one fly above? What makes one find a mate? Yin and yang collides in one's other, and there are always rules to be abide. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Alas, I have lost all my wealth because my friend cheated. Even my family abandoned me. What should I do now? Should I do the same with people out of rage?
Yes, do the same with them. Don't let them go. Take revenge.
No, my dear, we shouldn't do anything out of rage. Revenge and vengeance are the vices of life.
Who are you and why are you disturbing me?
I am Jin. I am the evil part present in you.
I am Yang, the good part present in you.
I am the darkness in you. I represent passivity, sorrow, and inactivity.
I am the good part present in you. I represent activity, masculinity, and heavens.
You both are totally opposite. I am confused whom to choose.
Select me.
Select me.
As you both live inside me, I want you both.
We both are present in you together. We form a whole.
When we are joined together, represent everything in the natural world.
When there is equal share between us, there is harmony and equality in this world. Thank you.